Ooh. Ooh. Easy, easy, easy. You must use your hand to stand up. Are you sure? Now you feel it. You must use your hands to stand up. Third. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Like what? It doesn't look me in the eye. Let's go. Woo! Cover. Yeah. Yep. One.
See, you're meant to.
Okay. Do the press.
Ooh.
That was easy.
Easy.
You cry. Finally. Okay. Let's go. One more. You got it. Let's go. Toto. One more. Let's go. Okay, I'm more time.
Con la mota.
One. This guy doesn't make the team easy. Two. So now you have to do hip thrust.
Totoy. Come on. Totoy.
Never from me.
I want to give us two.
Balance your legs.
You look more legs.
Yes. I don't understand how come on legs then still wake up.
All right, let's.
Let's go.
Yes.
Yes, because better. It get better to do without.
You're a failure.
You can never make it. You're supposed to be 17 now. Cookie beans. Let's go. Yes.
You can never.
You can never make it. We don't have free 10 attempts.
This one you get. I'm gonna post that.